Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Bitcoin USD. Yes, this is my first video on Bitcoin US dollar. You see me every day doing the analysis of currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP, USD. But recently, I have received many requests where people are requesting me to do the analysis of the Bitcoin US dollar. And to be honest, I do not prefer to trade on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is extremely volatile, and personally, I do not like extreme volatility. Yes, volatility is very much required to make money in the market, but extreme volatility is very dangerous to handle. So, to be honest, I prefer to stay on the safer side. That's why I prefer to trade with Forex only. But many people love Bitcoin, they are making good money in Bitcoin. So, let's try to find out what the chart of Bitcoin is telling us. So this is the 4 hours chart of Bitcoin USD in front of us right now. Okay, and so let's try to find out the overall trend of the market. So if we look at the overall chart of Bitcoin, then we can see that Bitcoin is in downtrend. Yes, overall chart says that Bitcoin is in downtrend because we all know it very well that it made a high of $60,000, $64,000. From there, it started coming down. There was a sharp fall, and right now trading at 43,824. Right now trading here. So overall, if you look at the chart here, then overall the chart is in downtrend. But if we look at the present chart here, if you look at the present chart here, then we can easily see that this market is an uptrend right now. There is no doubt. You can see that after making this low, market is constantly making higher highs here, and this is a clear indication that overall trend of the market Bitcoin may be towards the downside, but right now this market is under the influence of buyers. Therefore, I'll suggest you to look for buying opportunities or buying position only, because thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. Whether it is stock market, crypto market, forex market, does not matter. You should always follow the trend. Following the trend means if a market is in uptrend, you should look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, you should mainly look for selling opportunities. And this market is in uptrend right now. Therefore, we should mainly look for buying opportunities so that we get to stay with the trend. Clear? So second thing that we need to find out, and that I always talk in my forex videos as well, that area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. So if a market is in uptrend, you should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is downtrend, you should mainly look for selling opportunities. But where should we buy, where should we sell? That depends on the area of value. If a market is in uptrend, then the area of value or the best trading opportunity is always near the support. And if a market is in downtrend, then the best shorting opportunity or best position to short the market is always near the resistance. And this market is in uptrend. Therefore, best buying opportunity will always be near the support. And as you can see on the chart here, that I have drawn two lines. This line is trying to provide support or trying to act as a support for the market, and this line is trying to act as a dynamic resistance for the market. I'm using the word dynamic because this is not a static one. I cannot give you the exact value of it. Therefore, dynamic resistance and dynamic support. And you also need to draw these two lines in your trading platform so that you can understand the market better, you can analyze the market better. Okay, so area of value in this market will always be near the support, and in this case we can clearly see that this trend line is trying to act as support for the market, or in simple words, whenever market is going down, this trend line is providing the required support to the market. So following the rules of the market, you must wait for the market to come down to this particular level. As we all know, market never goes up in a straight line like this. market always goes up in a zigzag pattern. Just like us, if you run for, let's say, 200 meters, then after a while, after running for 200 meters, we need to breathe a little. We take rest. Again, we run. We take rest. We run again. The market also follows the same pattern. After running for a while, market needs to take rest. Therefore, market comes down to breathe a little. Therefore, in the chart of Bitcoin USD, the best trading opportunity or the safest opportunity will be taking a position at this particular level. So if you find Bitcoin coming down to this particular level in the coming days, then this will be your best trading opportunity. But keep in mind, Bitcoin is extremely volatile, therefore confirmation is always important. And you'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer pattern or a green candle like this, or a price rejection from below. Once you see the price is being rejected from below on the support level, then you'll get the confirmation that market is respecting the trend line as a valid support, and you can go for a buy here. You can go for a buy here, plain and simple. Clear? So this is your first trading opportunity, and your second trading opportunity is this resistance, this trend line. You can see that market is going up following this trend line or following this channel, and this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. And as you can clearly see, whenever market is going up, it is facing selling pressure from above at this trend line. Generally I say that we should follow the trend and we should not short the market if a market is an uptrend. But this market, overall trend of the market is still towards the downside, that we cannot deny. Okay, if the overall trend would have been towards the upside and market would have been trading in a upward channel, then I would have told you not to look for shorting opportunities. But the overall chart of the Bitcoin is still towards the downside. The present trend is towards the upside. Okay, therefore still you can short the market, or you can try to look for some opportunities at their resistance. So if market goes up from here, then just observe the price once it hits the resistance level. If you see price struggling near the resistance, if you see the market is forming shooting star kind of a pattern, price rejection from above, or a red candle at the resistance, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is a valid resistance and not allowing the market to go up, and you can short the market at the resistance. But be very careful, the present trend is towards the upside, so do not short the market until and unless you get the confirmation. So this is your first trading opportunity and this is your second trading opportunity, and right now market is in the middle. So my dear friend, do not trade. This is your no trading zone. Let the Bitcoin go crazy, but you will not trade, because following the discipline is the main thing. And as I always say, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. That's it. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again with the Forex analysis.